How to fix Discord update failed error on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help fix Discord update failed error on Windows 10. 1. Disable Windows Defender antivirus. 2. Disable Windows Firewall. 3. Run Discord as administrator. 4. Delete Discord-related items local app data at %loicap.a%. 5. Remove any malware or virus using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 6. Uninstall and reinstall Discord. 7. Try the recommended NordVPN in this video guide to bypass any potential geo-block in your area. 8. Reboot your PC.